Hey guys, Saul here at Xtreme. We got another fun one. 2025 Kia K5 matte finish. So essentially this vehicle is matte from the factory. So at this point we're gonna do our level 2 paint protection film, but in matte to protect the actual gorgeous color on it. So take a look at the video. At this point, we're doing our level 2 PPF, but it's in matte, right? At this point, we're protecting the actual paint itself. Keep in mind, the actual matte paint is very hard to match, if not impossible to match. So when we add our matte PPF to it, we're protecting it so none of that happens, and you don't have to worry about any rock chips or anything because the PPF will take the beating at that point. As you can see here, it's a good example between the original paint and a panel that's already PPF'd. You can't even tell the difference even if we shine a light on that, which is good, right? You're protecting your investment with matte PPF. Check it out. All right, so now that the car is all done, here it is. Level 2 paint protection film in matte. So let's talk a little bit about that one. So the original color of the vehicle is matte, right? So at this point, we want to preserve it. We want to make sure that all those scratches, all those rock chips, that doesn't happen. It's a brand new car, it only has 200 miles on it. So what we did is we did the full hood, fenders, bumper, headlights, mirror caps in our matte finish to protect all this gorgeous color. Then we topped it out with our Pinnacle 25% for all sides and back window. If you have a car that you just bought and it's matte, this is a perfect way to protect your investment. And guess what, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe.